Did you know your body has a built-in self-destruct sequence that it has to constantly fight against? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening inside you right now. Your stomach is literally rebuilding itself every few days, and if it didn't, it would digest itself from the inside out. Pretty wild, right? Let's dive into how your own body prevents this catastrophic internal meltdown. So picture your stomach. Its main job is to break down the food you eat. And to do this, it produces some seriously powerful stuff. We're talking about hydrochloric acid. To give you an idea of its strength, this acid is corrosive enough to dissolve metal. If you were to drop a small iron nail into a beaker of stomach acid, it would slowly but surely disappear. This incredible power is essential for killing harmful bacteria in your food and kickstarting the digestion of tough proteins. But this raises a huge question. If the acid is strong enough to dissolve a nail, what stops it from dissolving the stomach itself? After all, your stomach is made of the same kind of delicate tissues as the rest of your body. Why doesn't it just burn a hole right through? The answer lies in a brilliant defense mechanism. Your stomach has a secret weapon, a thick, protective layer of mucus. Now, when you hear the word mucus, you might think of a runny nose, but this is a different beast entirely. This mucus lining is a sophisticated gooey barrier that coats the entire inner surface of your stomach wall. It's like a biological force field, physically separating the fragile stomach tissue from the intensely corrosive acid. This barrier is rich in bicarbonate ions, which neutralize the acid that gets too close, acting as a chemical shield on top of the physical one. Without this slimy shield, the hydrochloric acid would immediately start to eat away at your stomach lining, causing immense pain and damage. It's the unsung hero of your digestive system, working 24/7 to keep you safe. But here's the catch. That powerful acid is relentless. It's constantly at work, breaking down not just your food, but also wearing down this protective mucus shield. The barrier isn't permanent. It gets eroded and damaged by the very acid it's designed to block. So, if the lining just stayed there, it would eventually thin out and fail, leaving the stomach wall exposed and vulnerable. Your body, being the incredible machine that it is, has a solution for this. It doesn't just build the wall once and hope for the best. Instead, it's constantly rebuilding and regenerating it. The entire stomach lining is completely replaced every 3 to 4 days. That's right, you essentially get a brand new stomach interior twice a week. This rapid turnover ensures that the protective barrier remains thick, strong, and fully functional, no matter how much acid it has to fend off. This incredible process of regeneration is all thanks to a special type of cell in your stomach lining called stem cells. These cells are like the construction crew of your digestive system, and they work at an astonishing pace. They are constantly dividing and creating new cells to replace the ones that have been damaged or worn away by the stomach acid. This rapid cell division is one of the fastest rates of tissue regeneration anywhere in the human body. It's a non-stop cycle of damage and repair, happening so efficiently that you never even notice it. The old damaged cells are shed and harmlessly digested along with your food. While fresh, new cells take their place, seamlessly patching up the lining before any real damage, like an ulcer, can form. It's a perfect example of proactive maintenance happening at a microscopic level. Just how important is this renewal process? It's absolutely vital for your survival. Think about what would happen if it stopped. Without this constant regeneration, the hydrochloric acid will quickly burn through the weakened mucus layer and start attacking the stomach tissue itself. This would lead to the formation of painful sores called peptic ulcers. If left unchecked, the acid could eventually burn all the way through the stomach wall, creating a perforation. This is a life-threatening medical emergency, as it would allow corrosive acid and partially digested food to leak into your abdominal cavity, causing a severe infection called peritonitis. So, this seemingly simple process of rebuilding a mucus layer is, in fact, one of the key things that keeps you alive and well every single day. It's a constant, silent battle being won inside your own body. So, if this system is so perfect, why do people still get stomach ulcers and other forms of stomach damage? Well, sometimes this delicate balance between acid production and mucosal defense can be disrupted. Certain factors can slow down or interfere with the regeneration process. For example, a common bacterial infection caused by Helicobacter pylori can inflame the stomach lining and hinder its ability to repair itself. Long-term use of certain medications, like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs, can also reduce the production of the protective mucus, leaving the stomach more vulnerable. Chronic stress and lifestyle factors like smoking can also play a role by increasing acid production or impairing blood flow to the stomach, which is crucial for cell repair. When the rate of damage outpaces the rate of renewal, that's when problems like gastritis and ulcers arise. The stomach's incredible ability to regenerate itself isn't just a cool piece of trivia. It's a hot topic in the world of medical research. Scientists are fascinated by this rapid renewal process and are studying it intensely to unlock its secrets. Imagine if we could apply the principles of the stomach's regeneration to other parts of the body. What if we could encourage other organs, like the heart after a heart attack or the brain after a stroke, to repair themselves in a similar way? Understanding the molecular signals and the stem cells that drive this process in the stomach could lead to revolutionary new treatments in regenerative medicine. The stomach could hold the key to healing damaged tissues throughout the body, turning a simple digestive organ into a blueprint for future medical breakthroughs. The research is ongoing, but the potential is truly immense. So the next time you feel a rumble in your tummy, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work it's doing. It's not just a bag for your food. It's a high-tech self-rebuilding machine that manufactures one of the most corrosive acids known to nature, all while protecting itself with a constantly regenerating force field. Your body is performing an amazing feat of biological engineering every single day, without you even having to think about it. It's a perfect reminder of just how complex and wonderful the human body truly is. I hope you found that as mind-blowing as I did. If you love learning fascinating facts about the world inside and around you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more Did You Know? Videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.